The Aerosol Guard, the ultimate protection for frontline workers in medicine and dentistry. Setting up the Aerosol Guard is simple. Start by connecting the wheels to the bottom of the machine. Attach the middle column to the adjustable swing arm, secured in place by tightening the bolt, and insert into the top of the main unit. Attach the white nozzle adapter to the front end of the swing arm. You're now ready to add the transparent protection screen. Start by removing the protective films from both sides. Insert the screen into the notch of the white nozzle. Remove the remaining liner on the screen to expose the adhesive. Place the right flap on top of the adhesive flap so the screen creates a conical shape. Power it on, adjust to 8 to 10 inches from the patient's face, and enjoy the safety benefits of the shield suction combination. Protect your team from splatter and remove harmful aerosol at the source. Order your complete starter kit from theaerosolguard.com.